We just arrived at the Rebello Hotel in Porto, and here is the video. So this hotel has been open for a couple of years now, but it still feels very new, and there's no signs of wear and tear just yet. Entering our room, we have a little kitchen with lots of snacks, and in here there's a mini bar. I've been informed that the first round of drinks are on them, which is really nice. And I was also looking at the minibar menu. It's not so expensive, you know. Sometimes, and maybe I'm just so used to London prices, sometimes it's very overpriced, but here it feels very reasonable. Then there's a dishwasher in here, microwave, and crockery and cutlery. And then coming into the bathroom, so we have a shower and these toiletries. I've used these toiletries before, they're really nice. And so this is the hand wash and body cream. There's a hairdryer in there, and just behind this door is the toilet. Like the sink, it's very big. There's a little shelf on the sink. I haven't seen that before. Anyhow, coming back through here. Now I can't wait to show you the view. Unfortunately, it's raining right now, but there is sun forecast for in a couple of hours. But I really wanted to film now before we mess up the room. So coming into the main bedroom area, there's a TV and some reading materials, a beautiful bed, and this very cool phone. So it looks like an old phone, but these buttons you just push down like a modern phone. And then look at this view. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now, I know it's raining. It doesn't look its best, but the sun will be out later on, so I will also be making a video then, so I can show off the view fully. And then here we have the chairs on the balcony. Just swinging back into the room, there's a wardrobe in the corner, and a big mirror. Here is the safe and ironing board, and in here there are some bathrobes with some lovely branding and some slippers. So all of these make for a very comfortable stay. And some artwork. Then the kitchen again. So I hope you like the look of the room, because I certainly do. I just can't wait to see it with some sunlight, because that changes everything. Sunshine makes places glow, I think, and this room will look beautiful at sunset. So I just need to wait a couple more hours. This rain is gonna clear up, and then I'll get my camera out again. Room service just came and gave us these little treats. So we have some pastel de nata, a little soap, and a reusable bag. This is the view from our balcony. So the sun has just come out and it is lighting up the opposite side of the river beautifully. What a lovely afternoon it's going to be. We've just come back to the hotel before our dinner, which is in about 30 minutes. And this is the view from our balcony in the evening. It's beautiful. Being able to see the city and the bridge, it really feels like something out of a movie. We're just at Pot and Pan restaurant now, and this is our little amuse-bouche. It's a fried oxtail fritter with caviar. So a very delicious sounding start to our dinner. So our dinner just arrived and it looks so delicious. Here on the right hand side we have aubergine, and it's in a yogurt sauce with pomegranate and nuts. And then we have some mushrooms here with different styles of corn. There is some lamb here with a puree, some French fries because I love those, sauteed vegetables and padron peppers. To finish our meal, we have honeycomb with a jam and homemade lavender ice cream. Just walking into the lobby area at the Rebello. Look at the view. This is the beautiful bar area at the Rebello. Again, with these stunning views across the water. Can't stop looking out of the window here. We're back in Pot and Pan restaurant for our breakfast this morning. So this is the view you didn't see last night, it was too dark. What a stunning view. And then, here's the breakfast buffet. The sunrise from the Rebello Hotel is stunning. Look at this. It's barely 9 a.m. and this is what we have to wake up to.